Hello everyone. In this video, I am demonstrating the execution of the Dijkstra algorithm. So, as you know, you have to define a class Dijkstra with adjacency matrix, initialize the adjacency matrix, then you have to read the graph, construct the adjacency matrix, check whether the graph is directed or undirected. So, based on that, you have to add the edges into the adjacency matrix. Then there is a function Dijkstra where you are accepting the start node as an input parameter. Construct the cost matrix. Then you have to check the minimum distance from the initialize the start node and find the minimum distance, and then you have to repeat the same process for finding the next node. So this is finally you have to display the shortest path and the distance of the node. Shortest distance. Now what in the main? You have to create the object of the class. Then you need the starting node. So enter the starting node. Then you have to accept the value and pass it to the algorithm function that is the Dijkstra. Then you have to, if you want to continue with another starting vertex, you can set a loop so that you can move from the starting index from 0 to 1 to likewise. So let us run the program, build and run. So the first question it asks you is the number of vertices and number of edges. So we assume our input graph before giving the value. So here the first question that is asked is number of vertices. So here in our example is number of vertices are 5, number of edges are 9. Our graph is a directed graph, so input is 1. If it is undirected, it is going to the 0. If the graph is directed, give as 1. Now you have to give the edges properly. The starting vertex of the edge is 0, ending vertex of the edge is 1. And the cost of the edge, that is 10, because the input is a weighted graph. So you have to enter the cost. Then the second edge 0, 2 with the cost as 3. Then the third edge is 2, 1 with the cost as 4. Then 1, 2 with the cost as 1 with the cost as 1. Then the next stage is 1, 3 with the cost as 2. Then 2, 3 with the cost of 8. Then 2, 4 with the cost of 2. 3, 4 cost as 7. 4, 3 cost is 9. So this is our input. You have to also give the starting node. Our starting node is 0. So it gives you the distance of the node 1, path from 0 to 1, 0 to 2, 0 to 1, 3, 0 to 4. So 7, 3, 9, 5. This is the final distance vector. This is your initial cost matrix and this is your final distance vector from the starting node as 0. If you want to continue with another starting vertex, you can give. If you don't want yes or no. So you are saying no means does not, you don't want to continue. So press any key. Thank you.